We're in this little area, Travessa do Porqueiro. Porqueiro, what an interesting word that is. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just kind of navigate in this little area, show you what's around in here, go down our Target Street. Oh, that's a different street, Kool-Aid, so I was gonna go down that way too. There's a temple right there as well that I want to see. So I guess we'll kind of ground ourselves to this one. And I'm gonna look up the definition of it as well. And then we're gonna focus on this and what's around it. What a cool word. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Porqueiro. It says a person who trades in pork. So it's like someone who so I guess it's like someone, so that actually I looked up the Chinese word too. So the Chinese word is like pig street. It's really raining today, so I'm gonna pick up the umbrella as well, but that's actually called pig street. Let me grab my umbrella real quick. So that's actually called Pig Street, and it's also like a person that deals with pigs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down that, of course, but we also have a lot of other little streets in here too. Very interesting. I think I'll save that one for a moment. I'm just gonna go around the blocks a little bit, and then we're gonna come back to our street. And one of the first things we're gonna do is come down to this temple right here. And this temple, it's kind of a cool spot, anyways. So not too far is Pigsman Street. I guess you call it Pigsman. Like there's like shepherds, right? And then there's like people who cowboys for cows, and then a Porqueiro for pigs. So interesting. Oh, hello. Scared me. Okay, so that's a really beautiful temple right in here. I'd like to go in, but I'm just going to stay from at the door and just try to capture. What an interesting day. So we also got the lions. These are kind of typical as well. They ward off the spirits. And what I'm going to do is we're going to come back to Porqueiro in a second, which is right over there, like 1 block away. Oh, it's like these kind of Tai Chi ones. Okay, so we're going to head back towards what do we call that? Cowboy Porqueiro. How's the street again? You guys will all know what it is because you'll have it written down. And we're gonna go back in like this. Then what's also interesting too is this little street right here is called Travessa dos Coolies. Coolies are like coolies. Coolies are the slaves. So I think that they're dealing with trading Chinese slaves predominantly in Macau, but I think they also had all kinds of Portuguese connections with slaves of every kind of nationality. But I think that most of them were Chinese going to the New World. So this street looks like it has some kind of connection with that. And this one goes back down to our Target Street, which is down that way. Kind of want to go over here too real quick. I can't remember the name of our street, so I guess I should go back down. And I should also tie it back in. So now we're going down Cooley Street. Oh, Porqueiro. Porqueiro. Should we go down Porqueiro right now? I kind of want to, there's some really interesting guys that are hanging out in this park over here. So that's kind of why I wanted to go south. Porqueiro might be a really short little street. This might be all it is. I guess it's kind of good that we find out, just so we don't build it up too much. It'd be funny if that's a pork restaurant, but it looks like it's duck. Okay, so we're gonna come out the other end of Porqueiro Street. That's a really tiny street for a pigsman. Here's all the duck. Okay, so we're gonna head back. We're gonna do a little bit of a circle. Duck restaurant right there. We're gonna do a little circle and then come back to our Porqueiro street. It is an interesting target street though. Erva, this one goes down all the way to the markets. Oh, it goes up to Kyungwoo. There's Kyungwoo Hospital right there. So if we look all the way down straight ahead, that's Kyungwoo. So that's the main hospital in this area. Okay. So I guess we're gonna wait for this car and then we're gonna go back. And looks like we're gonna try to go this way a little bit. Travessa, these little lanes in here. Oh, is this still ours? Oh no, this is Travessa de Pont. So this is kind of near this little interesting mix of things. I think we're just gonna kind of meander a bit with the main focus being the kind of a cool thing. Kitchen. Okay, so it looks like we're kind of meandering a little bit, but we're back to our target street again. Oh, that street even big enough that maybe that street was a little bit different. Maybe in the past, maybe it had didn't have the big walls, you know. So maybe it could have been just a little alley with people that dealt with the business of pigs. I don't know. Very interesting. Then we're going to come back here, and I'm just going to kind of come in full circle. Now you can see the Grand Lisboa Casino in the distance through the rain, and there's a park to the left. I'm just going to meander through the park a little bit. Oh yeah, there's the park. Just to kind of meander through here a little bit. That's kind of cool. These references those Buddhist temples. And now you can see the Grand Lisboa straight that way. Plus you can see all the tall buildings everywhere as well. So yeah, nice little park in here. So we're just gonna meander down a little ways. You got also some exercise machines as well, so you can exercise. And then you got the Grand Lisboa Casino right there. We're just gonna try to capture this a little bit. And basically our little alley was down that way. That's our little temple, and we kind of started in that area, so we're gonna go back down a little bit and try to get back to the street that we were just at. So kind of interesting on a rainy day like today. So okay, so that was our alley that led to our alley. Maybe we'll just kind of slowly come back. A lot of shrines in this area too. It's an interesting little space. Yellow wall. Okay. So now we're coming back to our target street right here. So that was it right there. A little Porqueiro. Kind of interesting. Let's see if I can capture this with me in it. I don't know. Anyways, I was looking for maybe a thumbnail there, but we're just going to come back out, and that was our target street, and then we're going to just come out to this kind of well-known temple area, and then we're going to end it. So Porqueiro. Porqueiro. So we just were down that little alley a little ways. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la